Business is booming, but keeping your software up to date has never been more difficult. Frequent releases, continuous updates, multiple integrations combined with compressed release cycles and budgets make complete testing almost impossible before go live. Businesses are forced to test what they can instead of what they must, which leads them to expose their business and customers to unnecessary risk. Did you know that around 60% of projects get delayed due to testing? Until now. Introducing CloudTestr. CloudTestr is a testing-as-a-service platform for businesses on and off the cloud. CloudTestr has an intuitive user interface that is easy to understand by both technical and business users. With CloudTestr, you can quickly accelerate testing with smart scoping of test cases based on upgraded release or patch applied. Leverage pre-built tests for major enterprise applications and tailor them to suit your requirements. Run tests in parallel to cut down on execution time. Manage all your QA artifacts in one central location. Schedule executions whenever you want and receive email reports once the testing is done. In short, CloudTestr manages scope, releases, tests, data and results of multiple applications with complete traceability from inception to completion. To learn more, visit cloudtestr.com today.